Good evening, my dear friends.
Good evening, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
All well?
Yes, sir.
Had your lunch?
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No, sir.
So today we are here for group discussion.
Yes, sir.
Everybody knows the topic?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first of all, my dear friends, you have to introduce about yourself, and we will start from chest number 1 or chest number 8.
As you wish.
This is my wish?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we are going to start from chest number 8. Then 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Automatically when self-introduction of chest number will get finished, we will start group discussion. So today's topic is very simple and very familiar to you. Dear friends, brain drain is not a problem of one country, it is a problem of developing countries. Brain drain, you know what is brain drain?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the flow of talent from one country to another country. So it is a serious problem of developing nation. So first we are going to start self-introduction, and after that automatically you have to start what? Group discussion. Right?
Yes, sir.
For group discussion I am giving just only 10 minutes. It is sufficient?
Yes, sir.
Or more one?
No, sir.
Sufficient?
Yes, sir.
Okay, from chest number start.
Good evening, sir. My name is Sandeep Kumar from Jaipur, Rajasthan. As far as my education qualification is concerned, I did a matric 80% and intermetric 86%. As far as my family background is, my father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. And my hobbies are listening music and play cricket. Guys, my motto is to join Indian Air Force. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, friends. I am Vijender Gujar from Jaipur, Rajasthan. As far as my education is concerned, I matric with 84% and intermediate with 70%. As far as my family background is concerned, my father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. My hobbies are playing cricket and gardening. My aim is to join Indian Air Force. Thank you, friends.
Good evening, gentlemen. My name is Sumit Singh Shekhawat. I am from a small village, Bijoli, in district Jhunjhunu and state Rajasthan, and currently living in a town Pilani in district Jhunjhunu, state Rajasthan. I have done my primary education from Army School and my further education from Pilani, and I have done my Bachelor of Dental Surgery from Army College of Dental Sciences, Secunderabad. My father is an army personnel, my mother is a homemaker, and I have one younger brother. He is also serving in army. My hobbies is to reading novels and doing high intensity workout and playing table tennis and volleyball. And my motto is to become an army officer, commissioned army officer, and serve the nation. Thank you.
Hello friends and my dear sir, I am Vinay Yadav from Jaipur, a district of Rajasthan. As far as my education qualification is concerned, in 10th class 84% and in 12th class 78%. As far as my family background is, my father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. As far as my hobbies are playing cricket and reading newspaper. Now I want to join Indian Air Force. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for giving me a wonderful opportunity to introduce myself before you. My name is Rakesh Gujar. I belong to Fort Pune, Jaipur. I had done my post graduation and now I am pursuing from D.Ed. I belong to Jaipur. My father is serving now Indian Army, and I can accommodate myself in any situation of environment. I want to join Indian Air Force to serve my country and serve my little ones. Thank you.
Good evening, gentlemen. My name is Dharmpal Yadav. I hail Jaipur from a district of Rajasthan. I have done my matric with 89% and did my 12th with 89.20%. Now I am pursuing my post graduation in mathematics stream. As far as I concern my family background, my father is farmer and my mother is homemaker. We are 3 siblings in my family. My hobbies are to play kabaddi and singing music. My aim is to join the Indian Air Force. Thank you for listening.
Hello everyone, my name is Manish. I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan. My education is concerned. I matric with 80% and intermediate with 85%. And my family is concerned. My mother is a homemaker and my father is a farmer. We are 4 siblings. Currently I pursue my graduation. My hobbies are playing cricket and listening music. I want to join Indian Air Force. Duty and discipline already occurred to me.
Good morning, friends. I am Kunal. I am from Sikar, Rajasthan. And as far as my education qualification is concerned, that I did matrix with 67% and I did intermediate with 70% mark, and now I am pursuing BSc. And as far as my family background is, my father is working in electricity department and my mother is a homemaker. We are two siblings and I have one sister, elder sister. And I wish to join Indian Air Force, and my hobbies are playing cricket and listening music. Thank you.
Hi friend, today GTOs are giving topic brain drain. This is such a big problem for our country and other developing countries. The skilled person and talented person going other country for their luxury life.
Just the friends, the minimum brain drain is a technical, higher technical skilled and manpower people settle in another country. It is a major problem and serious problem for developing
As
nations.
we have seen that our talent from the IIT, IIM like Satya Nadella, like Parag Agarwal, and like our Sundar Pichai has gone to America and serving the multinational companies. So if they serve in our country, it will be better for this development.
Yes,
Listen friend, I report that
goes to other
many talented person goes there other country because they all love comfortable life and luxurious life and they want to love their financial and their problems.
It was saying that if we find the problem, we find the solution. We have to firstly concentrate on that problem what we have seen.
You are friend also is a major problem for developing country, and we also can stop this problem by many
because developed country provide research, better finance, luxury life and higher studies. They provide a betterment, even they use
Yes,
the
my friend,
brains
you
of
are right.
that gentleman. And in our country we provide facilities like that in the developed country. So we will explore the talent in our country and make them explore in that.
Okay, my dear friends, just listen to me. I divide your group among the two equal parts from chest number 1 to chest number 4, then 5 to 8. So next 1 minute, chest number 1 to 4, they will speak on this particular topic, and rest of the people they will listen you after your turn will come. So chest number 1 to chest number 4, start now.
At first, my dad is the most veteran person to other countries, brain drain. This is due to the best research facilities.
Friends, the simply meaning of brain drain, a highly skilled and technical skilled people immigrate one country to another country, and it is a serious problem for a developing country. There are many reasons for a brain drain, like a political infrastructure, lack of facility and lack of opportunity in developed countries.
Yes, you are right. At point out, add one more point. Other countries are provide sufficient
better environment
development and sufficient.
Okay, excellent. You all spoke well. From chest number 5 to chest number 8, your turn has come. Now you can speak.
Multi-talents are going from IIT to IIM in the developed country like America, Canada and Australia. They are making brain drain condition. Even in our country, they have to firstly focus on the core issues. Like they provide better research facility, better medical facilities and better luxurious life. But in our country, we have
Yes,
seen
my
that these
friend,
facilities
you
are
said
less.
that America, USA and other country are very developed. They provide financial condition is very best and taking a good experience in own work. They are very surviving a job management for her for his life that other country immigrant people go to learn their.
Yes, my friend, but in India are also provide then candidates more than facility and luxurious life like economic facility and other than. So their candidate are not gone to other countries.
You are saying right, but I want to say this: we should try this problems solve to we overconfident.
Okay, right, my dear friends. Recently we divide your group among 2 equal parts. Now again I combine you, and just you have only 2 minutes. Recently I got information. I have only just 1 vacancy, and you are all 8 candidates. So this is my compulsion. I have to select only 1 candidate. So who will be the best? I will select best one. Right?
Yes,
So
sir.
everybody you want to get select?
Yes, sir.
Everybody want to get select?
Yes, sir.
I have just only 1 vacancy. So you have to perform yourself. You are the best candidate.